We are here at PRI with my wife's car, the Panda. PRI is the biggest racing convention in the country with all the top automotive companies. Today is about the nightlife. We're on our way to race Nitrous Outlet and show them guys what's up. All right, so Nitrous.
Let me just tell you right now. First of all, we came down here because Thomas has been talking mega shit.
All right, so here's the deal, guys. We got 2 heats going on and then a final. All right, in the final, we're gonna take the fastest 6. All right, and the fastest 6 are gonna compete for a $240 pot.
And then the fastest in the finals.
The fastest in the finals is gonna win the
So
win
it's
the
not
cash.
the fastest for the day.
Yeah.
It's the fastest in the finals.
Fastest in the finals is gonna win the 240.
Be nice.
Dave, Cliff, and Brad, with Brad coming in number 1, so that's going to be for the final heat of the race.
Damn, I barely got in there.
Man, you scratched through, bro.
Dude.
You scratched through.
I was doing good till he spun me out there at the end.
Yeah.
Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. I'm Roger Ball with Nitrous Outlet, and I am the wiring guru.
All that shit talking, and he didn't even make the final heat. He needed some nitrous.
I'm fourth place. I'm fourth place for real?
Yeah.
That is terrible, dude.
All right, man, you won. How does that feel?
I don't know. I was trying to stay away from them two. I was trying to stay away from that man and the man on number 4 right there.
So you ran scared.
Yeah, brother.
Well, it got you first place.
What happened?
I whooped him. Thomas is not even, he's not even in the main. He could not hang with the kid. The old dude, man.
I thought he was a pro driver.
Man, he is not a pro driver. There wasn't enough pink on his car.
When I get in this loser's bracket, I'm going to show their ass what's up. That's right, baby. They know I had a shit car, man. This thing was pop, 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 pop. Hey, this is where we're at. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the same heats again, all different cars. All right, so everybody gets a different car. So there is no, my car was slow, my car was fast, none of that bullshit. So,
What we doing the top 6?
yeah, we're going to do the top 6.
Can we let the people who ran the first heat go in the second heat this time? Because the second heat had the track heat was better.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's switch. Whoever
swap.
ran
Yeah.
heat 2 is the first heat this time.
All right.
Does that
We'll
make
do
sense?
Yeah, and
That's fair.
Yeah, everybody's in different cars, but
in
still,
different track
in the
conditions.
end,
Yeah.
we're going to pay attention to what those numbers were right there, and the numbers of the new one. The top 6 numbers go to the final.
I think he's just trying to win his way back in is really what it is. I think that's what's going on. I think we're just getting cheated out here.
There's no amount of money for a buy-in here. It's all skill, no luck.
What is this dude in there doing? Now he's up there talking to the people at the front trying to get things to go his way. And he's just a shitty driver. He can't help it. He's just a shitty driver. He can't help it.
back in.
We're going to go in here and just see what he's really doing.
We know there to give you a shorter time, all right? She's not gonna make a time for you to get you in the top of the bracket.
She's out of control of that, man. Damn. No, let him talk you into something over there or whatever. He's probably sliding him extra hundreds. Probably threw a couple extra hundreds for a faster car.
Stay away from Roger and stay away from Tom. That's the game plan.
Best thing for Tom was hanging back. He don't have anybody around him, so he's doing good.
You know, I'm just out here living life in the winner's circle, just watching people, you know, try and beat my lap times, but I don't think it's going too well.
Oh shit,
I'm
Roger
gonna
just went to the top.
They're putting a little warmth in the track. It's gonna be
Roger just passed Tom for the top spot for the fastest lap.
Hey, and you know what? I would have had first. Who got in front of me? Because I got slowed down because of whoever wrecked in front of me.
It's the next race that matters anyway. Next race is money.
So I'm number 2 overall right now.
Number 1.
Yeah.
We're going to take Thomas out, all right? We're going to take him out. We got 3 on 2.
All right, we're on the last race. All right, there's 6 people in the last race. This is the final. Right now I'm in 3rd place on time for the final. All right, we got Big Cliff with a 30.587. That is the best. That is flying. Roger's coming in 2nd, of course. First loser.
Y'all see this? See, he's behind me right here. That's what it's going to be.
Final round. Fight!
I passed everybody. Hey, and I was right on his ass. I was tearing him up, man. And then Cliff gave me a little bump on the side. I came around him. He gave me a little taparooski. So I was like, bet. I saw him look backwards, and I gave him that little shove to the back and put him right into the wall. Yeah, I had to pass everybody.
If y'all
dude.
didn't have to make me hit the brakes once, that would have been great. But, you know, someone took out Kirby, someone took out Cliff. I don't know what happened.
took out
was
Cliff.
just driving.
Oh, you.
Looky here.
When you gave me that little tap over here, I said, oh, I
These
got something
motherfuckers
for
eat a
Cliff.
little crow
As soon as
every
we
now
came
and
up that
then.
hill, I saw you in front of me. I said,
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
You're my daddy, Roger. You're my daddy. You got it.
This guy, man. This is the best time I've had at PRI ever.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, Speedway Indoor Karting, the Nitrous Outlet Renegade Racing Shootout. In 3rd place, one of our hosts and biggest shit talkers, Mr. Thomas West.
Round of applause for myself. Yeah, round of applause in 3rd place.
In 2nd place, the guy who was pretty humble coming in, but we knew had some speed, Mr. Eric Moen. And our champion, representing Nitrous Outlet, and the oldest guy here, Mr. Roger Ball.
Come on. This is payday right here.
Oh, payday, baby.
Payday.
Hey, I'm going to give him the $20 in a giant check that's coming.
From Renegade Racing.
Yeah, one you can't cash,
Hey,
baby.
next time I see him, this is going to be huge. Like, I can't even carry this. If you're at PRI, come see us at the Excess Power and Battery booth. Hey, and one more thing.
So long, gay boys!